And now it is ready to serve. We are on our way to Chinatown. Yes, you got it. In Coronadal City, Mindanao. We're here, Chinatown. Everyone gathers here on Saturday for the market they call Chinatown. This is Chinatown.
Let us put our faith in Jesus Christ. So, if you want to get in heaven,
where is she? Oh, there she is. Lost track of them. Even the kids are playing little games.
Sometimes ang tao full of impossibility. Pero pag-abot sa Ginoo, He is God of possibility. Kung unsa man ang sitwasyon karon nga igsoon, imong pinagdadaanan karon, broken hearted ba ka?
Well, this is my second or third time coming to this event on a Saturday. One thing I can say for sure, you never know what to expect. And today is one of those days. They're trying to decide on what they want to have. They got frogs.
Aman lang, aman. Man.
Yes. Si sir nag-video.
Tago. Bere pamasil.
Sir yung masal.
Frogs. We're gonna fry frogs. Now, I know I definitely didn't look amused at seeing skin-cleaned frogs. But you know what? I'm open to new adventure, and this is what it's all about. Bring it on.
Hi, Mama. 20.
That's 90 pesos. 19 pesos.
35.
25 pesos. Not at this location. Got some Royal Orange to have something to drink this morning, because I didn't have a coffee. So we got up really quick, shower, and then head over here. Oh, Kuya's got cooking here.
Fish ball, quick, Bindor.
Fish bowl?
Quick. Kikiam.
I see.
Pasa mo sa ibang bansa.
I'm okay. Salamat po.
Where are you from?
Canada. Yeah.
Pasa mo dos, Canada.
Edmonton, Alberta. Yeah. We got fish up here.
Damo ka na pita.
Panghugot tabla. Pangawat mo. Data yun.
Ano diyaw sa pangupit?
Oy, sir. Hey, sir. Hi.
Kamusta?
Bang kalabasa mga labon na. Ay, paubos na lang mga baligyan ako.
YouTube. Real life journey. Real life journey.
Nag-aaral ako magtagalog.
Paano ko mag-Tagalog?
Matuto.
Nag-aaral daw.
Nag-aaral ka ng Tagalog?
Fan mo siya sa real life journey, blue ya background. Paki-follow na lang Tapos mag-comment.
Real life.
Mag-comment na yun.
Ay, journey in disguise.
They're following me on YouTube now.
Okay. Journey in disguise.
Salamat po.
Salamat!
Paki-follow.
You can speak English, can't you? She can. I know she can. Yeah.
Maranya daw kabalo ka magsalita ng English.
I made her turn red when I said that to her. Ingat, paalam. Where did she go? Oh, she's over there.
Thank you.
Wala nga naman sa lahat.
Tignan mo kaya yung mukha ko sa maganda ko doon.
Just getting more long beans. I think we're on our way out. I am not sure. I gotta get some sweet hot chili sauce. But you gotta go to the store for that. Hey! And some mayonnaise. No. Ano? Oh.
Di ba vlogger na ito?
Dito ka ito nagpagpapikaw?
Vlogger on YouTube.
Abanaan.
You want to say hi? Wala nga naman.
Hindi ko kabalo mag-ibig.
Say hi to your friends.
Hi guys. Hi vlogs. Welcome to my guys.
Ikaw po, yan, hindi ako.
No, hi vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Guys, ikaw ba na?
She's shy. She doesn't know what to say, but she's very cute how she says it.
She is Kiki, daughter of Coco Martin.
Naga Ralaco Magdigalog Matuto. Saan sa Philippines? Filipina. Ah, she forgot what she got. Came for her. Ingat, paalam. Salamat po. So I guess we're heading her out here. Are we heading it out now or what? Okay, let's go. Salamat po. The little guy needs, he's really tired. Oh, I found a raindrop. Good thing they're under. Ah, it is raining. They're trying to get the umbrella set up in a way they don't get rained on. Oh yeah, lots of grapes. That's the way I like seeing a cluster. Look how big that is. That's cute.
Tamis ni madam?
Yes.
Later that same evening.
Well, I never thought I'd say this. Here's an introduction to cooking gourmet frogs. First, you heat up the pan. Add some onion. While you let it simmer, add some garlic and tomatoes. And then you add some cleaned frogs. Add seasoning to add taste. Add mushrooms and let it come to a boil. And lastly, then you add the bitter melon leaves. And now it is ready to serve. Yep, you heard it. Let's dig in.
The next day.
This is fried frogs right here in the Philippines. This is my first time trying this, so I want to share with you me eating frogs for the very first time. It sounds funny, because it is. This tastes like chicken, I've been told, so I want to find out firsthand if this tastes like chicken. Okay? You want to try with Daddy? Okay, this is frog. It does taste like chicken. Want to eat? Come here. Right. Yummy, eh? Tastes like chicken? Yeah, have some more. Even my son's eating it. See that? It tastes just like chicken. Eating frog here in the Philippines. That is really cool. Okay, have some more. There you have it. Hey?